Hi, fifth graders. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add color to your color theory teacup. Be sure to watch the Google slide presentation in the assignment. In that, you're going to see all of the review on complementary colors, analogous colors, warm colors, and cool colors. So we're going to be adding color to your teacup using those color schemes. You may use any materials, coloring materials that you have at home, crayon, colored pencil, marker, a combination of, even if you have watercolors, you can do that as well. So please follow along. So I have chosen to use cool colors in my foreground, but you can choose warm or cool. Just make sure you're separating them. I have sped up this video of me coloring, but make sure that you're doing your best work, filling in all the spaces nice and neat. Okay, now I'm ready to color the background. Because I chose cool colors in the foreground, I'm going to choose warm colors in my background, which are red, orange, yellow, and pink. Remember to color neatly. If you are choosing to use colored pencil, color in one smooth direction. You can use colored pencil and marker, a combination of crayon or watercolors for this project. Hi guys. Okay, so I've got my background colored. Remember, you are selecting either warm colors or cool colors for your top and your bottom, and you're separating them. So I chose to do cool colors in my foreground at the bottom and warm colors in the top of the background. Now, if you want to flip-flop that, that's totally fine. You can do cool colors up here in the background and warm colors in your foreground. Just make sure you're separating your warm and cool colors. All right, and if you have questions on what those are, look at your Google slide and it will tell you what warm and cool colors are. All right, so now I'm ready to color my teacup. My teacup is analogous color. So if you're looking at your Google slide at the instructions, it says right here, the teacup, which is the middle, the top, and the handle are going to be in an analogous color scheme. Analogous color scheme. Again, the description of what analogous colors is in the Google slide. So please go to that slide if you're not sure what that is. Analogous colors are any three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So look at your color wheel and figure out which three could be any three that are next to each other. And you are going to color your middle of your teacup, your top of your teacup, and the handle using those three analogous colors. My three analogous colors are blue, purple, and red. But you don't have to choose the same colors as mine. Remember, you can choose any analogous color scheme, just any three colors next to each other on the color wheel. All right, I have my analogous color scheme inside my teacup. I chose blue, purple, and red. They are three colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. And I colored my middle of my teacup, the inside of my teacup, and the handle with those three analogous colors. Now, lastly, the last thing to color is my saucer. The saucer, if you look at your instructions, so make sure you're referencing the Google slide. It says right here, the saucer should be complementary to your teacup. So if you're not sure what complementary colors are, make sure you review in the Google slide what complementary colors are. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. So all you're doing is you are looking at what color is closest to your teacup here. And I have blue. So what is complementary to blue? Orange. Good job. Orange is complementary to blue. They are opposite each other on the color wheel. So that means I'm going to color my saucer orange. I can use colored pencils, markers, a combination of, but my saucer has to be orange. This is how you're telling me that you know what complementary colors are. When you are finished, you should have no white space left on your teacup artwork. You are filling in the whole foreground, background, teacup, steam, and saucer with the coloring scheme instructions. All right, 5th grade, I am all done coloring in my color theory teacup, making sure to follow the color theory instructions. The whole point of this lesson is for you to show me that you understand what color theory color schemes are. We've been studying this in class. For this project, you were learning about warm and cool colors, which is a review for you, but also complementary colors and analogous colors. So please make sure that you are following those color theory instructions, because that's how you were showing me that you know what these are. Please make sure you're looking at the grading criteria also in the Google slide for this project. 25 points, this is 50 points of your grade, this whole project, total of 50 points. 25 of it, half of it, is showing that you followed the instructions on how to color it using those color schemes. It's really, really important. And then the other 25 is neatness. So please make sure you're doing your best coloring nice and neat, leaving no white spaces. If you have any questions, please make sure you are emailing me or leave a comment in the comments in Google Classroom. Yeah, good luck. I can't wait to see your finished projects, and make sure that you're taking an image, a photo of it, and uploading it to Google Classroom. That is how I can mark you off as graded. Please don't email it to me. I cannot submit it through email. It has to be submitted through Google Classroom in order for you to receive your grade. All right, good luck, have fun, and I can't wait to see your finished projects.